Very good. The application have been dismissed unanimously by the court. What are your initial reactions?
Well, not surprising because it follows the theme of what we're witnessing. But yeah, I mean, we move on. There's a lot of battles that we can fight. The process is flawed, no doubt. I mean, heavily flawed, leading with all kinds of conditions. And I'm quite surprised that the Supreme Court will be more or less acceding to the perpetration of such violations against the highest judicial official. It's not about Justice Torkornoo, as I keep saying. It's not about Justice Torkornoo at all. The issues are far-reaching and they actually impinge on matters which affect the independence of Ghana's judiciary, the security of tenure of judges and all. But the Supreme Court, for whatever reasons, does not seem to take that view. Well, so great. I think that in future, the whole nation will get to know the consequences of this.
You said there are more battles to be fought. Are there specific measures to be taken going forward?
I'm not here to disclose to you my line of action or plans. But clearly, what we can say is that this is a procedure that should be deplored. There cannot be a situation where the Chief Justice cannot face an inquiry set up under Article 146 of the Constitution to determine some inquiries against some petitions against her, and she's not had notice of the specific charges in respect of which the prima facie case has been made, the basis for such charges, and reasons why she's supposed to go through the inquiry. I mean, this is a basic right that is available to every citizen of the country. It's not an account of her being a Chief Justice or her requesting for a grant of higher rights than as due ordinances. She's asking for basic constitutional right. The notice of charges that she's standing trial or she's supposed to respond to. The basis for saying that's the case for her to answer. And indeed, this is a very significant point. It's a decision that resulted in her suspension. Are you saying that she cannot know the reason why she was suspended? She cannot know the specific charges on the basis of which the president said that she should go and stay at home and for another person to assume her office? I mean, this is very strange. It's something that is very much alien to every civilized legal system. But we'll see. We'll wait the reasons and then we'll deal with it.
Finally, from in your opinion, you have said that this process is deeply flawed. There are those who are calling for the Chief Justice to simply, as a former Attorney General, to ask your opinion as a lawyer for Madam Torkornoo, what would you say to that?
Due process, rule of law, constitutionalism must prevail in Ghana. That is what we see. We did not, on account of people putting pressure on CJ to resign or whatever, that we will take a decision. The most important thing is that there must be an upholding of the rule of law in Ghana. And we will continue to assert our rights.
So she will
the proper thing must be done. As far as I'm concerned, the proper thing must be done. And she's a Chief Justice. She's been in office. She's been a judicial office holder for more than 25 years or so. She's been at the bar for almost 40 years. She knows what is due process. She knows what is constitutional rights. And I think that's what she's asking for. And how can it be correct that a judge who sat on two matters, of which she also sat, be called as witness in a petition against her, and that same judge be made the chairman of the committee that is supposed to inquire into the petitions against the Chief Justice. Clearly, it's untenable. It's only in this country that I don't know. And the question is, what account can she be singled out for removal from office when indeed she did not sit even alone? She sat as part of a panel. One of the judges rather is being made a witness. That's all. That's my comment.
Beyond.